So it's Penchu enjoying the Mother Nature's creation. Oh, may God bless all these creatures as a part of the game. And we must try, to interfere minimum possible with the natural life of these animals. So, in Sanskrit, there is a shloka, we call it Jivo Jivasya Bhojanam. Well, it means creatures are the food of other creatures, as small insects are eaten up by, birds. Like this, moths are, they even burn on the lamp, you can say, candle light. They are singed even. So like this, the minimum possible interference, how to help the creatures in their natural way, This message is from Cave Yogi Vinodanand. We have to be very, very careful, cautious, that even if we are having our pets and get them sterilized, operated them, we should never forget that we are interfering with the nature, and we are trying to hypnotize ourselves. We are serving the animals. No, not at all. If the Mother Nature have made cats to consume your rats, insects, and if you are interfering with your own logical reasoning, rest assured you are playing with the Mother Nature, and instead of thinking or hypnotizing yourself that you are leading yourself towards salvation or liberation, you are mistaken. Let the nature work in its own way. It will take its own course to reform you or to take these animals to the higher. So it was my message. So minimum possible interference with the nature. Operating these animals, what you call sterilizing, it's a sheer kind of crime, spiritually. So let the nature work the way it's working. And already we have seen the results. Technological advancements, good. But where we are today, now running with the hand joint, where? Oh, Himalayan Rangers searching for peace, singing, doing. No. If you are a yogi, non-violence under all circumstances, celibacy. Don't try to mix so many mythologies. If you are a yogi, don't try to go vegan. If you are a yogi, you are supposed to have desi ghee, butter, rishi munis. As you follow the disciplines of Newton, if you are in the physics lab, Newton's law, Pascal's law, Archimedes' principles. Don't mix up, don't blend so many mythologies. If yoga is yoga, follow Rishi Muni's Ashtanga Yoga. Don't make the mistake of confusing yoga with your vegan. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Mahakal, thanks for watching.